Are you looking for the best underdesk treadmills? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best underdesk treadmills on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Egofit Compact Walking Pad. What makes the Egofit Walker Pro shine compared to our best overall pick is its 5% incline, which WH Assistant social media editor Isabel McMahon says stood out to her. Even when I'm walking at a slower speed like 1.5 miles per hour, I can still feel like I'm getting a solid workout, she says. After testing it for 3 months, she says she can't imagine her workday without it and that it boosts her productivity. I definitely felt more productive using the walking pad because it kept me feeling alert, McMahon says. When the afternoon slump hit around 2 p.m., turning on the treadmill gave me an energy boost and the mental reset I needed to power through the rest of the day's tasks. Another standout feature of this model, per McMahon, is that it's quiet. My coworker, who sits right across from me, didn't even realize I was using it until I mentioned it, she says. For what it's worth, I found the Merak to be a little noisy. My fiancé could hear me using it from the next room. McMahon also notes that it's compact and easy to use thanks to the remote control. The wheels on the front make moving it around a breeze, even in my small workspace, she says. It connects to an app that McMahon says is straightforward and functional if you prefer managing speed settings through your phone. Just be aware that it costs $100 more than our best overall, has a shorter belt at just over 34 inches, and has the lowest speed settings compared to other options on this list. Number 2. Yosuda Walking Pad. Sometimes you want the best of both worlds, and the Yosuda Walking Pad delivers that. You can walk on a flat surface for a leisurely stroll or up the challenge with an incline. There are 3 adjustable slope modes: flat road, 0 to 3% incline, climbing mode, 4 to 6% incline, and mountaineering mode, 7 to 9% incline, so you can feel the burn at your own pace. WH Deputy Photo Director Dongi McCoy loves the incline for getting her heart rate up compared to flat walking. She also says the setup was super easy, calling it a plug-and-go operation, although she adds it's a 2-person job to get it up the stairs. For context, it's slightly heavier than our best overall at 55 pounds, but the wheels at the front make moving it around the room easier. However, she found the shorter belt harder to keep up with than a traditional treadmill. It did take me a fair amount of time to get used to the shorter belt, and it required more concentration and attention to stay on the pad, says McCoy. But, soon enough, I got to a fast pace while multitasking. As for speed, it goes up to 4 miles per hour. Number 3. Sunny Health and Fitness Treadpad. For beginners who need something to hold on to while jogging or fast walking, the Sunny Health and Fitness Treadpad is your best bet. The foldable handle provides stability and also doubles as a device holder to support your phone or tablet. The belt is 58 inches to accommodate long strides, while there are 6 levels of incline to simulate a small hike while grinding. It goes up to 6 miles per hour, which is about a 10-minute mile if you choose to jog during your work breaks. WH Associate Health and Fitness Editor Addison Aloyan says it's a low-effort way to get moving at the office. This walking pad is really easy to walk on when I work because it goes pretty slowly at its lowest setting, she says. It also has a pretty great incline for extra hamstring work. Her only complaint is that it's a bit bulky and hard to move around. It weighs 79 pounds, although it does wheels at the front. Number 4. WalkingPad Folding Treadmill. The WalkingPad is the most compact underdesk treadmill we've seen. It folds 180 degrees to 32 inches to stash away under a couch or bed. When full length it's 56 inches, ironically the longest on this list. So, keep that in mind if you're in a tight space. As if we couldn't get more impressed, it has a built-in speed sensor that automatically adjusts to your stride for up to 3.75 miles per hour. If you're not down for that, the featured remote or smartphone app has a manual mode you can control. Just note there's no incline option. Number 5. Goplus 3-in-1 Treadmill. If you want a 2-in-1 piece of workout equipment, the Goplus 3-in-1 treadmill goes up to 7.5 miles per hour for fast-paced runs during breaks or after work. And, don't worry about slipping, it has a 7-layered, textured anti-slip belt. When it's time to get back to the grind, there's a built-in desk and handle to keep you moving. Given the added desk and handle, this model is the heaviest on this list at 73 pounds. If you need something lighter for easy handling, our best overall is a more optimal choice.